Hey guys, I am here to do my Coach Tote collection, and I am filming outside. I do stay in Texas, and today is like a really pretty day and it feels really good outside, so I was like, why not film outside, and that way y'all can get the true color of the bags. So first I'm going to start with the Coach Market Tote, and here it is, my little puff ball sticking out. But this is the one in black with the red interior. And this bag right here is super duper cute. Super duper cute. Let me show y'all. So here's the inside of this bag. And I did get this bag off of the Macy's website last year. So you still should be able to find it because I still be seeing people sell it. But this is the Coach Market Tote. Here it is. So there's that one. Next I have this bag in black again, but this time the interior is animal print. So there's that. And then next I have the bag in the color saddle. This one is super duper cute. And then next I have the Coach signature print. And this right here is the Town Tote. And it's in the color khaki and saddle. So here's that one. This one is super duper cute. Next I have this one, and this one is called the Signature Jumbo Floral Reversible Tote, and it does reverse into this color. And I have a I do have a video of this bag up already, so here it goes. Then next I have the Denim signature tote bag, and I'm trying to hurry up because my darn camera about to go dead. So here's that. Then I have this bag right here, and this is in the color Evergreen, and this is the Town Tote in the color Evergreen. So there's that. And then I have another Town Tote, and this is the color Birch. It's like a soft gray, super duper cute. Super duper cute. And these bags do not have feet on them. And then lastly, I have one more Town Tote, and this is in the color Saddle. Super duper cute, saddle and gold. Cute, and I got this from the outlet online. So yeah, y'all, just wanted to show you guys my Coach Tote collection, and if you guys have any questions, just let me know, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. So here's a quick view of all of the bags. So here are the Coach, these are the Coach Town Totes right here. And these right here are the Coach Market Totes. And these up here are the Coach Signature Totes. And this blue one is a reversible one. And this one right here is reversible also. So there go the totes in some decent lighting. All right.